Dave Ramsey might be out there, some of his team, some others.
Yeah. We
Dave
always
Ramsey can't put his cash in CardPointers. He's definitely not going to get any card-linked offers or
we always
protections that
always
cards offer.
recommend, that you're responsible with your credit card use, right? We're not going to recommend debt, but if you can switch from your debit card to your credit card, you're winning.
There's no envelope system in CardPointers. You can't put your cash into your Android or Apple phone.
You know a lot about Dave Ramsey, sir.
Yes, his fans occasionally hit and run in the comment section. It's funny. And of course, I've responded to many of his misconceptions about miles and points, all the myths out there, all the fake news from Dave Ramsey.
Yeah, fair enough. Yeah, it's this whole hobby is really what's allowed and enabled Justin and I to be able to travel like we do. Once you get those miles, once you get those points, once you get that cash back, that's really what enables you to travel in just a way that you never would have otherwise, right? It's going to allow you that first class flight, or it's going to allow you to take your kids on a trip that you wouldn't have been able to afford before. And that's where it really becomes magical. Of course, the earning side is magical as well. Being able to spend those points in a responsible way is just really fantastic.
Yes, responsible credit card use and responsibility in life in general. We had alcohol in Chicago, but we didn't abuse the alcohol. And even though some people abuse alcohol, it doesn't mean that everyone does, similar to credit cards. Just because some people might overspend on credit cards doesn't mean that's going to be the fate for everyone. All right, very good. And one more thing, do you have another user story where CardPointers just caught something in time or happened to come up in a nice way?
Oh, I love this one. This is a great question. We had a user who had 8 different cards with various Amex offers loaded, and they were planning to buy some furniture at a store. And right before they went in, they emailed me. This is how I know the story. They checked CardPointers and realized they had multiple cards with offers for that same store, and all of them could be stacked across different purchases. So instead of just using one card and getting one statement credit, they were able to split their purchase strategically across multiple cards and get several statement credits. And it saved them it saved them like a few $100 that they would have completely missed if they just walked in and used whatever card was on the top of their wallet. And those are the moments where it really clicks for people, like, oh, this thing actually pays for itself. And one more, if you'll allow me, that I'll never forget. A user told us that they were dining and the app reminded them of their Amex dining credit, that it was about to reset right after a certain period of time. And they used the card right on the spot, and the credit covered most of their bill. And they emailed us afterwards saying the app literally paid for itself tonight in dinner. Those little wins add up to something really big.
Nice. The classic split tender, multiple cards for the same transaction. And with those Resi credits, I've been going to the restaurant Kalaya in Philadelphia in Fishtown, and they allow you to use the Resi cards there for food, and you can also get Kalaya gift cards. So if you have a Resi credit that's expiring, instead of getting $100 worth of food and pigging out or wailing out, you can just get a gift card for later.